jong ka ki kun samla kan temo na ka napok ka ilaka sutengah niwan mentah kesini ban yumi pajba ban persya ya kejing don jong kini ki kok factories lengkat bat kejing ilam jong ka environmental coordination committee niwan hang ni ban persya ya kejing don jeng don be an jong kini ki kok factories ki bam don biang ki kot kisla bat kini om tang da kadau bakim biang ki kot kisla ndrengi persya juri ki namar bakita ya ka jingkwa jingkya jong ubriu kam tamru ingin da kaliang jong ni ki kenthei ni kwa ba shali sisni ba ki kun jong ni kilong ki kun ki de ki ba anna namar ba kini kalong ka ba unacceptable in a society mo kumbaja chekwe pat ki ri jong hapo India ki state hapo India ba bun ki khna ki don ki ba anna na kadau ko jing don jong ka pollution kata ka de kadau ka banangkong tingi kena kaliang jong ki kenthei ngingim ka ba kini kan ja ki kun ki siu jong ni ka kom ring mensing jong ki bru kam tam kito ki bal temen bar ki badon ru ya ka asthma ga ba benmit ha ka por ba ki shat benmit yo to kal air ba ki thang yo to dem yong te kini ka ta yengi ru kam kumju ki khandung rumo ki baduna ki badang ang telot ka bor ban fight against those disease ma te kini ka belong ngi ban yo yak ta ka jing tha khle ban bat set khmot bat ru bat ka jing tarha jong rendang halor ka sithi banga tho sha prime minister jongi Narendra Modi ka jingkar pat ku jonga ka long ba halor ka jing wan jong don jong kini kiko ba ka daw benengkong ka long ba ka kata ya ki bubun belang ka kata ki kenthei armet kan kata ru ya ki briu bala he karta but kajing don be anjong kini kiko ki don ki kot kisla but sha ba kani kan thing atho sha ka world environment day kum kadak ban ki ya ka world environment day kam mentoi yang ki briu bangi yar ki chu ki tang dep klem don kano kajing signal barta kajing lep ha ya ka me malia jongi den bala phai ka la proses ka shepo me khalia hapo i chaga ka hapo i bedai pe kini sa serial ding do de hador kani don petiau hador kani kasti ni bengila dap ya shikmat ban ni kren ban kasarukar ban khang kini kam petiau rei menta kas ni yeng hang ni ban ni ngin dewa yekta ka hok jong ni balada kasarukar kam khang mentaru ngin yeng ban hadu bad job ban ni le persya ba ngi mti tang na kadau bakim don ni ki kot kisra bambiang kot kisah rei na kadau ka jing ta ya ka environment jong ni ka mei mariang jong ni bat kham tamru ya ka jing kwa jing kya ka jong ni
will be shortened by these coke factories which are mushrooming out there. We are fighting. We are moving for the people from that area who are mostly not very much educated, since they are a little bit hand-to-mouth people, so to say. But they should be concerned about the well-being of those people who cannot move from one place to another. Since yes, freedom of movement is there, but when you don't have the money, how you will move? That is the main point. How you will move, how you will buy property somewhere else and escape that hell out there. That is what we call hell. Hell on earth. Where is the pollution control board? What are they doing? That is my question. And what is the NGT is doing? Illegal coal mining, why it's still rampant in our area? Is it the government fault or the public's fault? Let them answer this question. We as the public, we are not here to decide on behalf of the government. They should decide on behalf of us. We are the one voting for them. They should represent us. They should contribute to the society, and they should not neglect the opinion of the people. They are the government servant. Who are they if they don't work for the public? Who are they to give a hazardous impact on our environment? Now the impact is very bad in East Jantia Hills, everywhere. Though some people, Rambai Ilaka and other Ilakas out here, they are keeping shut because we have known now, everyone know that transaction is going on, corruption is involving everywhere. We cannot deny that. When the government are involved, then we the people vote. What do we have to say? That is the main question to the government. What are your roles in contributing to the good of the people, in contributing to the impact of the environment in our area? What are your roles? Show us your roles. MSPCB, we demand that you give justice to our environment. The factories, all those illegal factories, lene ki balong behind mo, illegal coke factories, ki badon hapo East Jantia hapo Kasansi. Now it has been already crossed 15 days, and nothing fruitful is coming. there is nothing fruitful is coming, and what do we expect from him? We want him to take instant action since they are already illegal. Coal mining itself is illegal. Obviously, coke factories also are illegal. Why they are hiding all the illegalities going on in our East Jantia Hills district? Where the Ilaka or where are those leaders? Where are the Doloi? Why they are keeping up on this? Are they illiterate? If they are illiterate, challenge us who are literate. If you don't know anything, stop doing illegalities which are rampant in our East Jantia Hills district. As the people from Ilaka Setengah on a daily basis and on day-to-day basis, we saw that these coke factories are mushrooming every day in our area, Ilaka Setengah, which is head by the Doloi chief under a traditional rule or traditional norms followed by the Ilaka. He has been appointed since maybe many years as the Doloi, and he should have take the responsibility for the well-being of the people, for their health and condition. He should see. And what I want to say here is that he, as the head of the Ilaka, being the Doloi, he should be very careful, and he should be very educated enough to think about the future of all people from there. Not just being a Doloi and let all the other people do all the work which are illegal. Like, yes, they are getting NOC, but no public hearing and all. What is the point? The opinion of the people are not being accepted. They are doing on their own. No responsibility from their side to call for a public hearing. And besides that, the Doloi also didn't give any intimate letter to any respective villages which fall under the Ilaka. What I want to say here, when it comes from the NOC which they got from the Doloi, when it approached to the MSPCB, the MSPCB should have their duty to inspect before giving the what you call CTO, CTE and whatsoever, before they operate there, whether they are following according to the norms, according to the condition of the Ilaka. Because so many coke factories are mushrooming in our area like anything. They are producing a lot of air pollution. Before, we have seen in our village that this area out here in our Ilaka are very beautiful. We can see the scenery, beautiful landscape and all. But right now what we saw is just the dark cloud. It's like being like a cloud covering the whole villages, like in the whole Ilaka it is covering. And the kids are suffering, they cannot breathe. Those who have complication or chronic disease like asthma, bronchitis, it will lead them to death.